and a diameter of x. So it's half the diameter, right? So the volume of a cube is what? Who knows? Come on, guys, you should have these written down. You're going to need these. What's the volume of a cube? Of a cylinder, excuse me. Excuse me, I asked one person to answer, and I'm not sure why anybody else is talking. Go ahead, Nathaniel. It's pi. Pi r squared h. Okay, so that'd be pi times, the diameter is x, so we have to do x over 2 squared times x, right? Everybody with me so far? Okay, so that would be pi x squared over 4x, so that would be pi x cubed over 4. So what we're looking at for number 27 is the cube has a volume of x to the third. The cylinder has pi over 4x cubed, or 0.79 x cubed. So which has a greater volume? Is x cubed bigger, or is 0.79 x cubed bigger? X cubed is bigger. So the cube will have the bigger volume. All right, let's look at 28. I know that was a confusing one, but I do want to give you some where you don't have numbers and you're not just plugging and chugging. Okay, let's look at 28. The pyramid shown has a rectangular base and faces that are isosceles triangle. We're going to find its value. Did you already do this one? No. 6 times 2 gives us 12, so that's the area of the base. What else do we need for this one? What's the equation for a pyramid? 1/3 the base times the height. Okay, so it's 1/3, 12 times 8. 1/3 of 12 is 4. 4 times 8 is 32 feet cubed. Or number 28. Yep. Number 29, find the diameter of a sphere with a surface area of 100 pi inches squared. Okay, what's the equation for the surface area of a sphere? 4 pi r squared. Okay, so we've got to solve this for that. So the first thing we can do is we can divide by pi and get those out of there. They're gone. So I get 100 equals 4r squared. So the next thing I do is divide by 4, and I get 25 equals r squared. So what does r equal? 5. So what's the diameter equal? Good. All right, number 30. Our last one, guys. Number, oops. 30 says, find the surface area of a sphere that has a diameter of 10 centimeters. Explain your answers in terms of pi. Well, we know what this one is, right? Because we can do it backwards. But, so it's 4 pi r squared is the equation. We know the diameter is 10, so that's 4 pi 5 squared, right? Everybody with me so far? Okay, 5 squared is 25. 25 times 4 is 100, and you just stop right there. 100 pi centimeters squared. Questions? Okay, recommendations for studying. Number 1, make sure you have your postulate and theorem sheet and formulas. Number 2, take these problems, rewrite them on a separate sheet of paper, and try them again. That will definitely help you. Okay, again, I need my books back as soon as possible. You've got to get your postulate and theorem sheet signed today.